Hello all, welcome back. This is Ramprakash Duraisamy. In this we will see how to create dynamic control using PCF and let's see how to bind that controls to the either CRM or model driven app. So I'll just quickly walk you through the demo, then I'll just take you to the code and then I'll take you and show you how we can add that control to the component. I'll go to apps. I have a model driven app which I have already created. I placed this one. There is a demo table which I have already created. I'll go for a new. I'll provide the name as demo2. I'll provide the first name. And for example, the some of the details are there. So I'll just provide the phone number. So I'll provide the address. I'll save this one. So once after I save, if I go back, so I have added a column called secondary column. So this is the demo2 record which we have already created. And here you can able to see it is stored with what can I say, in JSON format. If I try to reopen it, so all the values are automatically gets repopulated here. The same way, if I open the other record, that respective record values will automatically gets populated here. So how we have done it? So I'll take you to the PCF control. So for now, I have an JSON framed here. So it is with the first name string and the display name, whatever name which is there that we can easily use it out. So I framed the JSON like this, whatever the JSON which I'm framing here, based on that one, that columns will come and the values will automatically get stored into that the JSON formatted string. Like I have created as first name, last name, birth date, email address, mobile number, and a composite field. This one I have created. So I created as an what can I say? I'm just showing a demo. So for now, I just created with the .ts file and appended with my PCF control. If you want, you can just directly retrieve it from model driven app or like CRM or environmental variable, wherever you want. You can get that one and you can populate as well. So this is a simple JSON file which we have created for dynamic field population. I'll go to the control manifest file. So here this is the control name and I have created text field and this control will work against a single line of text field. If you plan to use it for like getting the value from the environmental variables or like retrieve multiples, you just enable this feature alone so that you can easily use that retrieve multiples and all those stuff. I'll go to my index.ts. So here you can able to see, so while getting that value, if that value is available and you know that we have already passed with the JSON.parse, you can get that one. In the update view also I have written the same, and the rendering component of on change also, because whenever value is getting changed, I'm just rebuilding that component, that field value saved again and again. The output also, so it is going to store it in the text field. And I have a dynamics form available. So here I have used an fluent UA. So what are the fields which I'm using from the fluent UA is text field, mask text field, and date picker. And if I come here, so for the email and all those stuff, like for if it is a string field, which is like here, you can able to see if it is string field, I'm using an text field. If it is a phone number, we can use a masked field. But if you want to have it a text field also, you can have the text field. So it is a mask field won't be available for text field, you can remove it. So it depends on the requirement what you are having. And date picker, you can just directly use this date picker. That's it. It's a simple one. Nothing major code for this one. So this is the one. And this one I'll publish it in my GitHub and I'll just explain detail about this one in my blog. You can refer to that blog and you can try using this in your site. So once after we done this one, we can just directly go ahead and what can I say, run build for this one. Then it will automatically gets built. Then you can directly publish it to your CRM or model driven app. So here I have used pack piece a push publisher, and I have already publisher called RAM. So I'm just using this one. So once after it published, I'll just show you how we can map it to this field. So I'll go to the solution, and there is a solution available called POC. I'll expand the table. I'll expand the demo table. I'll click on columns, sorry, forms. So this is the main form. So I'll open the main form. Let's wait for the form to get loaded. So as I said, there are two columns. One is with primary and secondary column. So here you can able to see the secondary column which has a component. For example, if I try to remove this one, so here it will behave as an what can I say, the normal control here. So if I click on the secondary control, and if you want to add any component, I will click on add plus component, and here you can able to see the dynamic component control, or else you can just click on get more component, and what are the components which is available, you can get it from there, and you can just directly select it. For example, I'll just select the dynamic form control and click on done. So once after I selected that, the control automatically gets loaded here. I can just directly save and publish, and you can use it in your form directly. So that's it. I'll provide the detailed description of my Git and blogs in this video description. You can refer to that and you can use the same. Hope you like this video. Please drop me a comment if you have any queries and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.